Here's how to easily change your avatar's skin color in Roblox on your PS5. So in order to make your character unique, you can follow these steps. First, you need to go ahead and launch Roblox on your PS5. And in order to change the avatar skin color, you need to go ahead and open the avatar section. From the main menu that appears in Roblox, choose Avatar. This will take you to the character customization area. Here you can go to body and select the skin tone or skin color depending on what you see. Then choose your desired color. From the skin tone section, you can tap on the color to change the look of your entire avatar. And your avatar skin color will change right away once you choose any color that you want to set. If you want a different color for individual body parts, you can tap Advanced in the lower right corner. And from there, tap on the body part and then select the desired color. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.